Uh-oh, it's the best part of the video. Do you want to eat this? First, get a whole rack of chicken breast. Use the bag it came in to collect your waste. Set it on the counter, just a nice little spot to throw all the garbage away. One easy package. I use olive oil spray on the pan so that the chicken does not stick. I also like to cut off little fatty pieces, and this part right here, sometimes there's tiny pieces of bone. Really depends on what cut of chicken you get. I get the whole breast. Just lay them down nicely. Doesn't really matter the order right now because we're going to be seasoning these puppies. Set that to the side. Let's get the spices now. Italian seasoning. I go kind of willy-nilly with the amount. Paprika. Garlic powder. Onion powder. Sometimes the onion powder sticks, so you gotta shake it, beat it a little bit. Seasoned salt. Pepper. Cayenne pepper. I like spicy, so I put a lot of this. It's optional, you don't need to put it. Set that aside, bring back the chicken, throw a little olive oil. Now just mix all the seasoning up by hand so it's evenly spread out, and just sprinkle it all on. Oh God. Put about half of it, spread it out, flip them all over, put the other half. I'm doing this with one hand. You know, one hand is the chicken hand, the other hand is clean to grab all the other fingers. Yeah, fingers. Cover it in aluminum foil. It keeps all the juices on the inside. I set my oven to 375 for 2 hours. Yes, 375 for 2 hours. You'll see why at the end. Rice cooker. Olive oil. Keeps the rice from sticking to itself. Get some good old jasmine rice. 1 cup, 2, 3, 4, 5. Some soy sauce. We're gonna go kind of a chicken fried rice style with this. Oyster sauce. You don't want to put too much. Just a little bit of goopiness. That's it. Because it's a strong flavor. Sesame oil. Sesame seed oil, I should say. Whole can of peas. I love me some peas. Now, instead of using water, I like to use chicken broth. We did 5 cups of rice, so I filled it up to the 5-cup line. Get a good mix. Start it, set it to the side. Chicken's done. It's been 2 hours. Let's look at it. Ooh. Golly. You want to check the temperature on the thickest part of the chicken. Make sure it reaches 165 and then do it again on another piece, just for good measure. Let's check the rice. Oh yeah. Give it a good mix. I needed a little bit more salt, so throwing on some soy sauce will help. Look at this. Look at this. This is why you want to do 375 at 2 hours. That's awesome. No effort, it just falls apart. Oh my God. Look at this. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment if you want more. Bye-bye.
It's a fast food frenzy, I'm so goddamn hungry.